Hey honeys, I wanted to show you guys what I put on my lips also, especially at night before I go to sleep or before I'm just going to be sitting around for the day. So it's really simple, it's very easy, so here we go. You can use Vaseline, any kind of petroleum jelly. It doesn't have to be fresh scent, it doesn't have to be name brand. And it really doesn't matter how much you use, you don't need a lot. I'm just taking a little bit. It goes without saying that you should have clean hands, which I do. So I have my dollop of petroleum jelly. I'm going to add a dash or two of cinnamon. Love cinnamon for plumping. Another natural plumper. Oh, that smells good. So does this. It's literally just ground cinnamon, y'all, and peppermint extract. So I'm gonna put just a couple of drops of that in there also. It's about to smell like Christmas on my face, and you just mix it well. You can put this on with your finger, with a brush, with a doe foot applicator. It really doesn't matter. You can use it. Okay, so now it smells good. Then okay. Look how pretty. It's tingly in a good way. This feels really good. I've seen something similar to this on a video made by Huda Beauty. If you don't watch her, that beautiful specimen of a creature, not 100% sure she's of this world. If you don't watch her, you're not doing it right. I suppose I should link her channel below. But I've been doing this forever, but I saw something where she does something very similar. So I'm nobody, she is somebody. So if you need some validation for this technique, just watch her video about it. And yeah, just wanted to show that while I was doing it in case anybody wanted to try it. Alright.